out here in the heart of Europe. I'm the director for training and development. One of the biggest hotel group on the planet, IHG. Your club actually gives you benefits. A marketing budget of 50,000 dirhams, and you will also experience. We've got Marbella coming up very soon.
Here there is opportunity to make a lot of money, guys.
We also have windows for all the questions and answers.
In Venice, it's going to be underwater hotels, it's going to be underwater restaurants, gym.